Alright, good. Already be nice supine cervical spine here. I don't know. Perfectly clean adjustment. Perfect. Now we have a SI joint restriction. Flexion restriction adjustment.